Welding is a challenging task, always different, because the situations, conditions and materials are different, and mistakes are not allowed, and they allow no room for error. That's my job. Plasma cutting, MIG-MAG, TIG, MMA, submerged arc. All the processes require accuracy and attention to detail. I need the correct instruments, designed and produced with the same passion I put into my work every day. Welding wires, electrodes, TIG rods, the result of a careful selection of raw materials. The constant control of the production processes means that the products maintain the highest quality standards now and always. Rigorous and meticulous tests ensure excellent performance to satisfy those who, like myself, need certified products. These machines are designed and tested to adapt to any situation and materials and respond quickly to changing working conditions. I've chosen INE as they can supply me with all the tools I need, from consumables to welding machines, accessories, and even safety equipment. I've chosen a partner who is always reliable and available. A team of experts with an in-depth knowledge of my job requirements who can tell me what the best solutions are. Now I know how to achieve the best outcome, even when the conditions are tough and I'm using complex materials. It doesn't matter how hard the job is, the end result is all that matters. And in the end, I know it was worth it.